Inhaling once again for your flat back extension. This time as we exhale, walk the hands towards the front of the mat, turning the feet to face the front. We're in our pyramid pose, sending the hips back, pulling that left hip forward, folding over the right leg. The next inhale, lift your gaze, bending generously into your front leg. We're coming all the way back up to our high lunge. Hands are reaching up. Inhale here. Exhaling, arrow lunge, weight comes into the right foot. We're leaning forward, engaging our core. And then using the momentum as we sweep our hands back to step left foot next to the right. Engage your core, engaging your pelvis. Utkatasana variation. Take one more inhale as we exhale, so you can go a little lower in the legs. And then inhale, reaching